adjust it to his yung gusto niyang feel doon sa barel. Ganito po kasi yan, napaka-particular po sa shooter ang feel niya sa barel. Hindi lang porque malambot yung putok, yun na yung tama niya na nagko-compete yan. So, we will do final check and a final fitting with the last part, which is very important, which is recoil management. Ang recoil management po yung sipa ng barel. So, if you can imagine, bumili kayo ng baril niya, 45 or whatever, pag ipinutok niya ang bukaw, if you've been shooting long enough, that will eventually issue. Hindi na masyado, hindi, alam ko na yan, kabisado ko na yung sipa. But when it comes to competition, because the lesser the gun hits, reacquire your sight and shoot another. Hindi ba niya napuputok tong baril? Eventually siguro, baka maputok niya, baka mas magustuhan niya ito kaysa sa... Precisely because the way it's made is about making the gun. So, wala kayong makikitang mga... hindi nyo malalaman na meron tong extra plate Yung pinapatungan tanggalin at magre-replace ng isa ito. Napaka-kinis, napaka-simple. At walang alog, yung sinasabing walang alog. Ganun lang ang gawa kayo ng arm score. Ngayon,